Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to post anything or list any product on the Facebook Marketplace and you want to mark it as on sale and you want to sell between all the users on Facebook, so this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can easily do it on the Facebook Marketplace. Actually, Facebook Marketplace is developing day by day and the popularity is going to the peak day by day, and in future there will be more potentiality on the this Facebook Marketplace. So actually some persons or some pages are there for business like e-commerce business, but if you are an individual and you want to sell some products and list it as in a marketplace like in a marketplace listing, then this Facebook Marketplace will help you to do that. So if you have the product on your hand, then you can go to the Facebook and here you can find the shop icon. That is actually the Facebook Marketplace, where you can click on it and you can find various type of product, bikes, cars, and mobile devices, watches, jewelries. All of them are here. You can see listed here. Now if you want to list something or post something, so you can find this at the left side, create new listing in this left side navigation section, where you will be able to add those here. Now you have to do is simply click on buying, or you can find sale in here, where you can create new listing also. So you can go to the settings, and from here you can also find this button here, create new listing, where you can find your seller dashboard. Here is the seller dashboard, so where you can get the chats to answer, that how much response you get and how much answer or how much you deal with, and the seller rating, your rating, actually how much people love you or trust you. This seller rating is actually most important thing in Facebook Marketplace, because as much as your rating or you have the 5-star rating, and as much as you maintain that, then people will trust you more and more. So you can build a trusted place on the Facebook Marketplace, where the buyer will actually get any type of comfortable, with whenever they are going to purchase something from you. Now here your listing, you can find some descriptive analytics about your listing, like needs attention. Here you can click on it and you can find all the products what need attention. Active and pending product will help you. You can in this tab you can find all the list of the active and pending product. Sold and out of stock also will be visible in this tab here. If you click on it, and draft, that you have just created any post or creating a list, but you don't post it yet on the Facebook Marketplace, so it will show you on the draft section. To renew, sometimes they suggest to renew any post, to delete and release some product that you might need to delete or repost it. Now Marketplace insights, like click on listing, so you can see how much click you get on your listing products, and listing saves, how much people has just saved your listing or share your listing, or you have how much follower you have on your Marketplace. Also you can simply click on see more, you can find more from here, and here you can change the duration also. Now I'm going to go to the Marketplace profile before we can actually we show you how you can create a listing. So first let's show you here is the insights actually. Now here is the announcements. You can make any announcement toward your customers. Now here is the Marketplace profile, where you can find your name and the cover photo, and make sure you have added any attractive and trustworthy profile picture and cover photo. Where you can find seller rating, it will look like this, where you can find the 5-star. Make sure that you actually maintain the 5-star rating, and from here you can find all the listing that you have made on Facebook Marketplace will be listed in this section. Also you can find the sort by option, available stock, all of this from here. Now you have to do simply click on create new listing, where you will find this choose a listing type, like item for sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale, or rent. There is 3 type selling method available right now. So is this any type of item, in electronic item or a micro item, anything it could be, or any apparel, dress, retail product, so you can use this item for sale. But if it's any type of vehicle that comes with engines like motorcycles, cars, trucks, vans, any of this, you can actually sell it on this vehicle for sale. And property, you mean I mean actually some houses, transferable houses, or any type of greenhouse, or you can say like plot, flat, any of this. You, if you want to put it on the sale, so you can get it here. Now I'm going to go with item for sale, so I'm going to simply click on it, and from here you can find the preview. So you have to wait until it looks like. So here you can see it will show you the preview from here. Now I'm going to add some product here. So I'm going to add my product image here, for example this watch here, this watch. Or I'm going to use one photo right now. I'm going to add one photo, but make sure you have add around 10 photos here, or minimum 8 photos, so people can get better view about your product and they can trust you. Only 1 or 2 or 3 photos doesn't make any sense or doesn't build any trust score on the marketplace. So make sure you have added all the perfect, well lit and perfect position, at least 8 images, so you can get more attention. Now from here you have to add titles like luxurious watch for men. So make sure you have add attractive title, so that can people that can hook the scroller, and also add the pricing. So I'm going to add the pricing here. Now you can select the category like tools, furniture, any of this appliance, garden here. So you can go with clothing accessories like bag, luggage, men's clothing and shoes, jewelers and accessories. It is actually a kind of jewelers and accessories, so I'm going to select it here. Also you can find more of them from here. Now here is a condition like used, like new, or only new. If you're selling any second-hand product, then you can click on here. So I'm going with new. This is actually a new product. So more details here like bracelet style. You can add it like belt, leather belt. Sorry for that. Leather belt. Then you can add like gemstone, like any type of gemstone from here. You can select the all the elements that used in this watch. So for example, anything, I'm going to select it. Now brand, you can write the brand here, anything, like I'm going to add anything like XYZ brand. The material, you have to add material like copper, bronze, or anything, glass, copper, or this is bronze here. Then you can add some description about this watch, about each and everything that a customer can ask for. If you just write them on the description, then they will be more comfortable, and the conversation will be more convertible, that you can convert all the customers to your valuable customers, or make some income from there. Now here is the availability, listing as single item or listing as in stock. So if you have lots of them, then you can click on this here. Now product tag, you can add tag if you want, so like watches. Now simply click on plus icon here and you can add some tag from here. Now you can add more 20 tags from here. Now here you can find SKU, so it is actually optional. And location, you can select the location from here according to your needs. You can location like USA. I'm going to select here. When you out here, you can see public meetup. If you allow public meetup, then you can click on it, or door pickup also like this. If you are delivering to the person, simply, now you have to do is you can find the preview from here, that is it will look like here this. Now simply click on next, and where you can find the marketplace here. The listing in groups, you can also list some group, and this publish option will help you to publish this product on the marketplace. So you have to wait until this load. Here you can see it's loading. Now it has just loaded and it has just posted on the Facebook Marketplace, where you can find your listing section, where you can go to your listing section and you can find all the product that you have listed. So mark as out of store. If your stock is out, you can simply click on mark as out of stock, and also you can share it anywhere you want. This three dot button will help you mark as pending. You can add it to pending or for pre-order. View listing, also you can edit the listing or delete this listing from here, and view messages for this product by this section here. Now you can click on it, and also you can find some more options. You can edit it, and you can find the messages related to the product, comments, also insights about this product, how much click it get, how much it have, how many people have just saved this, and how much people has just shared this product on their timeline or any other group. So just like this you can just do it, and here is the filter option. So that's pretty much all thing about the Facebook Marketplace, how you can list a product and use the Facebook Marketplace. Or if you want to buy something, so you can go to that product that you want to buy, for example this car here. Now if you want to buy it, then you have to send message, and you can find more details from here. Here is the details, here is the location, here is the seller details, how much star it has getting, and the reviews also from here. So they have you can find the message option, you can find share save option, you can also share it. Also here you can hide the list or report about this listing. Now after reading the description, you can directly contact with the seller from here in this box. Now you, after writing anything you want to know, then simply click on send, and the message will be directly sent to that seller. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.